Don't buy a Lomi. Seriously, if you have the luxury of time, space, and know-how to have a backyard compost or chickens, you should do that. The net carbon footprint of those things are better than a Lomi. Technology can never replace what Mother Nature is already good at. Lomi is only good for people who don't have the time, don't have the space, or don't know how to have their own backyard compost. Or chickens. The carbon footprint of your Lomi is awesome if your current solution to organic waste is relying on the $2.5 trillion waste management industry. Even though they've painted those trucks green, doesn't make them green. Organic waste being trucked to landfills is terrible for the environment. But if you're taking your waste out back and feeding it to your chickens, don't buy a Lomi. You don't need one. If you do buy a Lomi, it's best to use the dirt in your own garden beds or houseplants. Mix it in with soil and let Mother Nature do what she does best. But for everyone else, it's better than what we currently have, which is big green garbage trucks and smelly kitchen garbage bins. Click below to buy a Lomi today. Or don't, if you have chickens.